CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a styling language used for describing the presentation and formatting of HTML, hypertext markup language, documents. It provides a way to define how HTML elements should look, including their layout, font, color, and other visual attributes. CSS works by associating style rules with HTML elements. Style rules consist of a selector that identifies the HTML elements to which the rule applies, and a set of properties that specify the desired styling for those elements. CSS can be used to style HTML documents in a variety of ways, from simple color and font changes to complex layout and animation effects. CSS is an essential tool for web designers and developers, as it allows them to create visually appealing and responsive websites that work across different devices and browsers. It is supported by all major web browsers and has become an integral part of web development. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a language used for describing the presentation of web pages, including their layout, fonts, colors, and other visual aspects. Here are some of the most common uses of CSS. Styling HTML elements. CSS is used to style HTML elements, including headings, paragraphs, links, lists, and tables. Layout design. CSS can be used to create and position layout elements, such as boxes, grids, and columns. Responsive design. CSS can be used to make a website responsive to different screen sizes and devices, by defining rules for how the layout and content should adapt. Typography. CSS can be used to define font styles, sizes, colors, and other properties for text. Images. CSS can be used to apply styles to images, such as borders, filters, and positioning. Animation and effects. CSS can be used to create animations, transitions, and effects on web pages, such as hover effects, scrolling effects, and drop-down menus. Accessibility. CSS can be used to improve the accessibility of web pages, by defining styles for how content should be displayed for users with different needs, such as those who use screen readers. Branding and identity. CSS can be used to define a consistent look and feel for a website or brand, by defining colors, fonts, and other visual elements that reflect the brand's identity.